How to change the fill colour of a shape in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Select the shape in the Layers panel. You can find the Layers panel in the Window menu. Once you've done that, you can then simply double click and it will bring up a colour picker so you can change the colour. So just go over here, just here, double click and then change the colour and click OK. But if you want to add and change gradients, patterns and all those sort of things, what you can do, you can go here to Properties. The Properties panel, again, Window and Properties, and click here. So fill, just click that and it will come up and you will see all these variable colours in your swatches. And you can select one of those. So go for maybe blue or yellow and so on. But you can also, if you want, select gradients. So click there and then select a gradient from all the gradients in your gradients panel. You can also click here and you can then add patterns. So all the way through, lots and lots of patterns available. This is a great way also of bringing an image in. So you've got an image here saying the patterns. All you need to do is define an image as a pattern and then click here and you've got an image in your shape. Now if you go over here and double click, you can see you've got the option here for changing the scale, as well as moving it around, repositioning and changing the angle, and click OK. If you're using it as a gradient, by selecting a gradient here in the Properties panel, you can then go over here and double click this and a gradient fill will appear. And you can then modify this, you can move it up and down, also change the style, maybe radial, change the angle and so on, and click OK. If you want to add additional colours to this, you can go up to a layer and then down to layer style and then go to either gradient overlay, colour overlay or pattern overlay, and that will add an additional colour effect. So pattern overlay, now you've got a pattern here and you can change it, modify it depending on the patterns you've got available. But also what you can do is you can go here and you've got blend modes. So you can change that, maybe go for lighten, maybe go here for soft light and so on. So you can combine your actual fill with an additional colourful fill, such as a pattern overlay. Sadly, you can only add one pattern overlay, but you've also got options for multiple gradient overlays which you can add. And also, another way around this, go to Layer and then Smart Objects and convert to a Smart Object, and then you can continue to add additional pattern layers if you wish.